back now to the butterfly, the brown butterfly that's been in my hand for a couple of minutes now. Actually, ayun na, more or less 20 minutes na siya na nasa kamay ko, ganyan. I've been seeing this kanina pa, no, dyan sa pintuan, tapos sa window. Tapos, ngayon lang, nagpaikot-ikot siya at bigla siyang napadpad sa kamay ko. I don't know. This is actually a brown, brown butterfly. Na 3-legged lang siya kasi naputol yung kanyang paa, no? Oh, you see that? Dalawa yung paa niya sa side. On this side is isa na lang. Tapos may may damage yung kanyang wings. Don't know what happened. Siguro kinagat ng butik or what. Yun. I don't know what